Hello students, today we will all be learning about the adenosine blocking agent. So the adenosine blocking agents are the drugs which antagonize the actions of adrenergic drugs. These drugs block either alpha or beta adrenergic receptors. They prevent the response of the effector organs to adrenaline and noradrenaline, both internally produced and externally administered. Many of these sympathetic depressants and adrenolytics agents also interferes with the transmission of postganglionic sympathetic impulses by preventing the release of noradrenaline. This may be due to depletion of the non-adrenaline store or interference with its synthesis in nerves and various body tissues, or just preventing the release of stored noradrenaline. The classification includes: the first one is the alpha receptor blocker. It consists of tolazoline. The second one is beta receptor blocker, which includes propranolol and practical. Firstly, we will learn about the tolazoline. So it is a synthetic drug and its nomenclature includes 2-benzyl-2-imidazoline. Imidazoline is a partially saturated form of imidazole. Tolazoline has a benzyl group in the second position of the imidazoline. It is used in the form of its hydrochloride. The physical properties include: the tolazoline hydrochloride is a white or creamy white odorless crystalline powder with a bitter taste. It melts between 172 to 176 degrees Celsius. It is freely soluble in water, ethanol, and chloroform. Aqueous solution is slightly acidic to litmus. It is affected by light. The chemical properties include: the tolazoline answers some color reaction. When ammonium reinictate solution is added to aqueous solution of the substance, a pink precipitate is produced with a pearly luster. When tolazoline when tolazoline hydrochloride is dissolved in methanol, solutions of sodium nitroprusside and sodium hydroxide are added, and after about 10 minutes, sodium bicarbonate solution is added. A rose violet color is produced. The stability and storage include: since it is affected by light, store it in well-closed container protected from light. The uses are: adrenergic blocking drug. It is used as a peripheral vasodilator in the treatment of peripheral vascular disorder. The officials are tolazoline hydrochloride BP 1988, tolazoline tablet BP 1988. Brand names include Prescol, Prescoline, Lambrel, Casimid, etc. The propranolol is a 2-hydroxy 3-isopropenyl aminopropoxy group in the naphthalene nucleus. It can be considered as an ether of 1-naphthol. It is official as the hydrochloride. The structure of propranolol can be seen here. It consists of a benzene ring and other benzene ring which add zero oxygen, CH2, CHOH, CH2NH, CH, CH3, CH3. The properties include: it is a white or creamy white powder without odor. It melts between 162 to 166 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in water and ethanol. It is decomposed and the isopropylamine side chain is oxidized. The solution becomes discolored and the pH drops to a low level. It is slightly soluble in chloroform and practically insoluble in ether. The stability and storage include: store it in well-closed container. It is being used as antiarrhythmic, anti-anginal, and anti-hypertensive agent, that is beta adrenoreceptor antagonist. It is very effective in the treatment of sympathetically mediated arrhythmias associated with pheochromocytoma and chronic ventricular arrhythmias. It is also a mild hypertensive. Officials include propranolol hydrochloride IPPP, propranolol hydrochloride injection IP, propranolol hydrochloride tablet IP. The brand names are Inderal, Tiralin, Inderex, Caridorol, etc.